Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Chase Savings with routing and account verification, full guide step by step clearly.
To withdraw from your Chase Savings account, start by logging into your Chase online banking account.
Open your web browser and type in the official Chase website URL.
Enter your user ID and password in the appropriate fields.
Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section.
Select your savings account from the list of accounts displayed.
Once you're in your savings account, look for the Transfer or Withdraw option.
Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. After selecting the amount, you may need to specify the transfer method. If you want to withdraw to a different bank account, select that option. You will need to provide your routing and account numbers for the external bank. To find your routing number, you can check the bottom of your checks or find it in the account details section online. Your account number is also located at the bottom of your checks or in your account details.
Input both the routing number and account number accurately in the required fields.
Review the information you have entered to ensure it is correct.
Once confirmed, proceed to finalize the withdrawal process. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security code sent to your phone or email.
Enter the verification code as prompted. Submit your withdrawal request.
You should receive a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal has been processed.
Check your email or online account for additional confirmation if needed. Be aware that it might take a few business days for the funds to reflect in your external bank account. If you encounter any issues, contact Chase customer service for assistance.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.